Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom. Here we are in late fall and we're talking about cutting back hosta. So hosta are super hardy, they're really easy to grow. A couple of things about them. One is that voles as well as deer like them a lot. The deer like the leaves, the vole likes the roots and the little tops, the new growth that's about to sprout in the spring. So can be problematic sometimes. Some springs I come out and the voles have completely gotten them, or in the middle of the summer the deer completely get them. One thing I find that does help is to really cut them back early in the fall as soon as they get their first frost. So if you look here, we've got 4 little hostas, and these hostas are basically mush. We've had temperature down in the 20s, and what you want to do is cut them back as low as you can to the ground. So you could leave this until spring if you wanted to, but the reason I don't is because I have found over the years that all this mush, all these leaves make great hiding places for the voles. And I find that by cutting this back, I have less damage. I'm not saying it's going to prevent the damage, but I find that there's less damage because there's not as much cover for the voles to run around, and they don't like to be out exposed. So by doing this, we're opening up this area and making it less hospitable for the voles to kind of survive through the winter. So as you can see, we've cut the hostas right back to the ground. You wouldn't even know there were any plants there. And I really think that this helps prevent the voles from hiding and getting in. The other thing that I have here is a lot of pea stone. By also putting some of that pea stone around the hostas, the voles really can't get down in there, and that also helps protect the hosta for the winter. So theme of the video, cut back your hostas. It helps protect them from the vole damage. Right now I can't do anything about the deer damage, but there's nothing for them to eat anyway. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.